Morning, everybody. Okay, quick update. We figured out what the issue was with the car. Um, this is one of the O2 sensors that I had pulled out when I changed the transmission. Um, Obviously, removing the transmission, I hit one of these and I broke it. So anyway, ordered another set. But you notice this has 3 wires, and the set they sent me that I put in, I didn't pay close enough attention. I put them in, and it was 4 wires. So it was sending the wrong signal to the computer. It's making the car not run right, obviously. But anyway, so I've got a new set of 3-wire mass air sensors, not mass air, excuse me, O2 sensors in the car. And the only other change I have made is I put 2 degrees of timing in it. It looked like the data log was showing it was at 32 degrees, so I'm going to try 34 at wide open throttle. So I have the base time. I have basically just added 2 degrees to the base timing. I didn't want to mess with the total timing in the tables. In case I want to just go back, then I'll just set it back to 10 degrees. But anyway, so I added 2 degrees and the new O2 sensors, and I just took it out for a spin, and it is pulling clean all the way through to 60, 6,000 plus. So we should have a good, accurate run this time. So we did that. I'm going to put a half turn on the clutch tamer. I think it can take a little more on the launch. And so last time we had a 152 60 foot. The best ever is a 151, and then before that was a 159, and the 159 to 151 was a half turn, and it still looks like it's leaving a little soft. So I'm going to throw another half turn in it, see if we can get it down in the 1.4s on the 60 foot. And again, so half turn on the clutch tamer, 2 degrees of timing, and the correct O2 sensors. And we will be at Test and Tune on Saturday to see what she does. All right, thanks everybody. I'll have an update on Saturday.